We're at the Europarade 2019 here in Vienna, as you can see, and we're asking people a couple of questions on human rights and global climate change.
What do you do in your little ways to change the world?
I have not bought clothing that's new for 5 to 6 years.
So we would turn off the lights when we don't use them, and like stop using water taps, try not to have like water fights and stuff. Just small things.
I go on demonstrations like the Pride Parade today, and on the climate demonstrations, and
perfect. It's fantastic.
I don't know. I tried every day. I don't know, in work to help people and to do small things every day to change it in small steps. Yeah, but you?
Yeah, sure. At work as well, because we're both doctors. So that's one part. We try to help people and contribute to that, and yeah.
What human rights do you think are not always respected?
What's human rights? Well, these sometimes what I hear is the equality. I think is that's why the Pride is here, because there are countries. I don't think, particularly in Austria, we have a problem. It's more about other countries that do not respect equality.
Just generally the right to be who you are is generally not respected, and people are told that they can't be who they are.
What can you do for better cooperating with the people coming here?
I think it's very important to just stay in the shoes from the people that's coming to Austria, and then help them to stabilize in the way they find a job. Or I think it's very important to being in the shoes from those people.
Yeah, I think for example, in Austria, the working system for immigrants does not work good, so it's just always preferred for the natives here, and the people from across the borders, they don't just have like options like we have. And so I think the system should change, and they should put something better for the work and job position option.
The basic way that's possible in Vienna, like you put things in the trash where they belong, like biological stuff, plastic, paper, the easy way.
Do it at home, like we have Biomüll, and oh my god, my English is so bad right now.
Organic garbage.
Organic garbage, and yeah, we have a garden where we use it for fresh soil.
Yeah, we recycle our plastic bottles and paper and the stuff, yeah, in school and at home.
What European state do you think is not respecting all those human rights? Do you think there are some states?
It's not going to sound nice, but actually my home country.
Can I ask you, where are you from?
I am from Hungary. Originally from Hungary, and I don't think it was going the right direction, and it took a 180-degree turn, and it's going completely a different way now, and hence why I'm living here, and I lived in the UK for 10 years, so, and I'm not really willing to go back.
Have you been to the global climate strike?
Yes.
Yes, I have. Me too, yeah. Do you?
Yeah, all of us.
What do you think we could do to regard the plastic, to avoid the usage of plastic?
What we can do? Well, actually, stop using it. I'm pretty sure there are alternatives to plastic. I mean, myself, I'm a strict recycler, so, well, sort of, but I do believe in recycling. But first of all, yeah, I'm pretty sure there are alternatives to plastic, and this is what we need to look at first.
A lot of things could be done. Just generally, products could be not wrapped in plastic that much. People could stop buying that much plastic, so not that much plastic has to be produced. And find alternatives for plastic.